Shifting our attention to the latest updates from the ongoing COVID crisis in North Korea. North Korean military medics have now stepped up measures to expand the distribution of medicine across the country to help ease the virus outbreak. This comes a day after North Korea's Supremo, Kim Jong-Un, ordered the military to stabilize the distribution of COVID medicine in the country. According to North State Media Agency, military has now deployed its medics to pharmacies in Pyongyang city to start a 24-hour supply service of medicines. Kim Jong-un, meanwhile, has also imposed a nationwide lockdown to try and slow the spread of the disease. Authorities have reported more than 1.48 million cases of fever as of Monday evening. Nearly 60 people have died so far, including 6 fatalities that were reported in the last 24 hours. Authorities, however, have not confirmed how many among the suspected cases are COVID positive. This comes just days after North Korea confirmed the country's first COVID outbreak. Pyongyang acknowledged last week that the country is currently witnessing a massive surge in COVID cases. Experts have raised concerns that such an explosive outbreak can devastate the country, which is currently lacking proper medical supplies and a strict vaccine program. South Korea, meanwhile, has ordered to help North Korea combat the crisis. South Korean President Yoon Suk-yeol on Monday said that he would provide full support to North Korea in tackling COVID surge if Pyongyang responds to that offer.
우리는 코로나 바이러스의 위협에 노출된 북한 주민에게 필요한 지원을 아끼지 않아야 합니다. 저는 인도적 지원에 대해서는 남북 관계의 정치, 군사적 고려 없이 언제든 열어놓겠다는 뜻을 여러 차례 밝혀왔습니다. 북한 당국이 호응한다면 코로나 백신을 포함한 의약품, 의료기구, 보건 인력 등 필요한 지원을 아끼지 않겠습니다.
And for more on the situation in North Korea, our correspondent Phoebe Amoroso sent us this report from Tokyo. Watch.
That is a huge concern because even before this outbreak of COVID-19 in North Korea, the country is believed to have one of the worst healthcare systems in the world. It lacks basic medical supplies, there's a lack of intensive care units, and it has turned down help with vaccinations for COVID-19. It refused them through the COVAX program. It's also turned down Sinovac vaccines from China. So it does not have any specific medication to treat this. It's believed that they are recommending that people take fever reducers and painkillers and also antibiotics. These do not tackle the virus directly, but they can be used for secondary infections that can occur. But this is far from adequate. There's also much talk about the use of traditional medicines. People are being told to gargle salt and drink certain kinds of tea. But this is believed to be, well, this will definitely be far short of what is needed in terms of the right medical supplies. And indeed, health experts are saying that the most important thing in terms of aid to North Korea at this time is to get antivirals into the country. But it has so far not responded to, for example, South Korea's offer of medical supplies.
WION is now available in your country. Download the app now and get all the news on the move.